Good morning, all. This is Alampalli Akhil from the aeronautical branch. Today, in my concept video is in fluid dynamics. Fluid dynamics, my concept video is Buckingham pi theorem. And my rule number as follows on the screen: 2095182105. And for our we have to discuss a small introduction, that is about the Buckingham pi theorem, a more generalization method of a dimension analysis developed by E. Buckingham and others, and is the most popular. How this arrange the other variables into a lesser than of a dimensions groups of a variable becomes the Buckingham's used pi to represent the product of a variable in each group. We call this method is known as Buckingham pi method, where the we can explain by explanation by a statement. If n is a total number of variables in a dimensional homogeneous equation containing the fundamental dimensions like m, l, t, and then they may be grouped into n minus m, and the dimensionless terms are known as pi terms. Suppose f of x1, x2, xn equals to 0, then the fundamental relationship will be written as pi of pi 1, pi 2, so on pi of n minus m or m minus n equals to 0. The final equation obtained in the form of pi 1 equals to f of pi 2, pi 3, so on pi of n minus m equals to 0, and suitable where n greater than or equal to 4, and not applicable if n minus m equals to 0. And procedure list all the physical variables and note m and m values, where n is the total number of variables and m is known as number of fundamental dimensions, that is m, l, and t, and computer number of items by n minus m. Write the equation in a fundamental form. Write the equation in a general form. Select the repeating variables must have all of the m fundamental dimensions and should not form a pi among themselves. Solve each pi term for unknown exponent by the dimensional homogeneity. For example, let us apply Buckingham's pi method to an example. Problem that of a drag force Ft exerted on a submerged sphere as it moves through a viscous fluid. We need to follow a series of flowing steps when applying the Buckingham pi theorem. Let us apply the Buckingham pi method to an example of a problem that of a drag force Ft exists on a viscous submerged sphere as it moves through a viscous fluid. We need to follow a series of the following steps when applying the Buckingham pi theorem, and there are the five steps. And first of all, visualizing the physical problem. Consider the factors that are of influence and the list, and count the invariables. You must first consider which particular factor influenced the drag force. Certainly the size of the sphere and the velocity of the sphere must be important. The fluid property involved or density where rho and the viscosity mu. Thus we can write f of t, v, rho, mu equals to 0. Here we use d, the sphere diameter, to represent the sphere size, and f stands for some function, and we see that n equals to 5. And where step 2 and 3 are choosing the dimensional systems MLT or FLT, and the list the dimensions of each variable. Find m, the number of fundamental dimensions involved in all variables. Choosing the MLT system, the dimensions are respectively MLT power minus 2, L, L t power minus 1, M power minus L power minus 1, t power minus 1. Where step 3, determine the n minus m, the number of dimensionless pi groups needed. In our example, this is where n minus m, where n is known as n equals to 5, where m equals to 3, and overall the result we get is as 2. So we can write phi of pi 1 comma pi 2 equals to 0. And step 4 as follows. From the pi groups by multiplying the product of a primary repeating variables with unknown exponential by each of remaining variables one at a time. We choose the row d and v as the primary variables. Then the pi terms are pi 1 equals to d power a, v power b, rho power c, f of t, and pi 2 equals to d power a, v power b, rho power c, and mu power minus 1. And step 5 as follows. To satisfy the dimensional homogeneity, equate the exponential of each dimension on both sides on the each pi equations and solve the exponents where known as LHS equals to RHS, where pi 1 equals to d power a, v power b, rho power c, f of t, where by solving the powers L of a, LT or t power minus 1 whole power b, m L t L power minus 3 whole power c, m L t power minus 2, where equals to m power 0, L power 0, t power 0, where powers are equating to 0. By equating the each L, M and exponential, we get the equations like this: a plus b minus 3c plus c equals to 0, where m c plus 1 equals to 0, where t minus b minus 2 equals to 0. And by solving those equations, we get the overall result is b equals to minus 2, c equals to minus 1, and a equals to minus 2. Therefore, by replacing those values in the above equation, we get pi 1 equals to t power minus 2, v power minus 2, rho power minus 1 in f of t, where f of t by rho. In further solving, we can write as pi 1 equals to f of t by rho into v square d square. And conclusion that finally add viscosity to d, comma b and the rho to find the pi 2. Select any power you like for viscosity. By insight and custom, we select the power minus 1 to the place in the denominator, where pi 1 equals to d power a, v power b, rho power c, mu power minus 1. By before problem as this we can solve, and we get the further equations where L, M and T are, where L equation is a plus b minus 3c plus 1, and m equation is c minus 1 equals to 0, where t equation is minus b plus 1 equals to 0, and we can solve the exponents for where we can solve, and overall the results are a, b, c are 1. By above values, we can substitute in the above substitute equation, and we get the pi 2 value, where pi 2 equals to t power 1, v power 1, rho power 1, mu power minus 1. And by further solving the equation, we can get that dv rho by mu, where r is known as the Reynolds number. And further we know that Reynolds number means the ratio of the inertia of forces to the viscous force. And check that pi are the fact dimensionless, and rearrange the pi groups as I decided. The pi term states that pi's are related in this example, hence ft by rho of v2 d2 equals to pi of r. So f of d equals to rho of v2 d2 pi of r. We must emphasize that dimension analysis does not provide the compute the solution to fluid problems, provide a particular solution ability of the individual using it to define the parameters that are applicable. If we omitted an important variables, the results are dimensional analysis successfully. One must be familiar with the fluid phenomena. Thank you for giving this opportunity.